Okay, it is June 14th, so it's like a week after surgery for Logan, and it is like 9 o'clock at night. I'm driving home. I got an hour and 20-minute drive home. It's an hour. Sometimes it takes me 2 hours to get down here. It took me 2 hours on a Saturday to get down here. Traffic was horrible on a Saturday. I would never even thought of that. But today I got down here, I think I got down here right at 11:15, 11:30. Driving home right now, it's 9 o'clock. And yesterday I couldn't make it to the hospital because I had my own appointments. I had a dentist appointment yesterday. Plus I had to take care of the stuff at the house and try to straighten up everything at the house, because I still do have kids at home. So I've been trying to, sometimes I'll stay the night down there, sometimes I'll go home, but mostly I've been going home. I think I stayed like three nights down there. So it's quite tiring, stressful. And but yesterday I was home, and so I had a dentist appointment I had to take care of, and after that I was planning on going down to the hospital, but I wasn't feeling good, so I told my wife, I'm like, I'm just going to stay home tonight. Logan was kind of irritated with me, but I can only do so much. But today he had physical therapy. Again, he gets it every day. Now it's been twice a day. He's getting up better. He's actually using the walker better. He's actually making it to the bathroom. We're making headway. It's amazing. But it's still, you know, he doesn't have really good motion in that leg yet, of course. That will come as we progress. Just nothing you can do when they take your femur bone out and put something else in there. So you got limited motion. He doesn't have much pain. He said he had a little pain in his by the knee today, but he's been working it out. Let's put it that way. They've been really working with him physical therapy wise. So he's doing good though, making progress. So now he's on inpatient therapy. It may last 2 weeks, don't know, not sure. It just depends on how he progresses, but he's doing really good so far. But one thing, I was home last night, and I checked the GoFundMe, and I'm like, you know, just to see if anything was going on. I don't check it that often, but I was at home last night and I checked it, and I'm like looking at it, and I'm like, wow, that seems kind of odd. And I look, and I had at the time I looked, it was like that day, yesterday alone, I had 109 donations just in one day. And I'm like, where the heck is this coming from? Like I said, I'm not the kind of person that asks for anything. But you know, I just don't. Like with my YouTube channel, I consistently, you know, I put up videos to try to teach you guys or teach people what to do or what to look for and so on, and I don't ask for anything. BigClive.com. He's a subscriber of mine. He's got almost 1 million subscribers. And he put on a live stream, I think it was yesterday, and basically that live stream was just for Logan. I did not, believe it or not, I did not contact him. I did not do anything. He did it all on his own, and I appreciate it. I from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate it. I had no idea, but he put on this live stream and he sent all of his, basically, he shut off his super chat and he said, send everything over to Joe for that live stream, which was amazing, absolutely amazing. And I think just last night we raised over $3,700 or $3,500. And I just want to say thank you to Big Clive. It's just amazing. There's nothing more I can say but thank you from the bottom of my heart. It helped. I mean, raising that amount of money helps me be with my son instead of being at work. Even though I like my work, I'd rather be home with my son, taking care of him. And my employer, I talked to my employer today, they understand. They're just like, well, whenever you get back to work, you get back to work. They just want my son to get better. So luckily I have wonderful subscribers and a wonderful boss, which is amazing. I couldn't ask for more. So big thanks to BigClive.com. I appreciate it. One other thing I'm going to try to do is put a link down in the description for an Amazon like wish list for Logan, and it's going to contain like, you know, things that Logan wants or we need for the house to help Logan. Some insurance doesn't cover everything, so like I need a recliner, I need a shower bench, certain stuff like that I need. Then there's stuff in there that Logan wants. You know, I mean, like games for his Nintendo Switch or whatever. Anything helps, and is appreciated. So this is the latest update. I think it's going better than expected, I think. I honestly, I don't even know what to expect. You know, it's day by day. It's hard. It's hard for me, my wife, my family. It's just hard, but we take it day by day. That's all we can do. We're dealing with it. But like I said, I'm just driving home now, and you know, these are the thoughts that are going through my head. So, and all the other people that have donated multiple times, it's so appreciated. It's amazing. So you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, the Venmo, the Zelle. Check out the Amazon link. I'll see if I can get it in there tonight. And I will see you on the next update. And that will be soon. Thank you.